Hi, I'm Stephanie Ryan, and welcome to my channel. Take a journey of self-discovery with me through painting meditations and mindful painting exercises. These practices are designed to help you connect with your intuition, calm your mind, and alleviate stress and anxiety. If you're looking to dive deeper into this practice, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and ring that magical notification bell. So grab your paintbrushes, let your intuition guide you, and let's paint our way to a more peaceful and centered life together. Welcome to this watercolor floral painting meditation. This guided meditation will help you to relax, connect with your creativity, and immerse yourself in the beauty of watercolor florals. Grab your supplies, prepare your creative space, take a deep breath in, and let's begin. Let's begin by making marks. You can use whatever colors you like, whatever palette you like. I like to use a round brush. This is a Princeton Neptune round, size 10. It has a really good point and it holds lots of water. This style of painting is very intuitive. Stay quiet, let go of your fears, and listen to the messages you're receiving. You may see a flash of color in your third eye. You may hear the color blue. You may just have a sense or a knowing of what to do next. Be open to receiving the messages. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play with your water. Play with your colors. Don't be afraid. There are no mistakes. There's only opportunities to make beautiful paintings. Let the paint flow from your brush. Don't be afraid of your water. And try to move effortlessly throughout your paper. Make marks. Play with color. Don't be afraid to make red leaves. Just see what happens. Remember, there are no rules. Keep moving throughout your painting. Try to get into the flow state and let your painting feel like that flow state. Play with movement. Play with colors. Play with water and watch it spread. No rules, no mistakes. Let the materials do the work for you and see what happens. I like to show movement with these little tick marks. It's totally up to you. Move throughout your painting. Don't just stay in one place. Play with the scale of your flowers. Experiment with dripping in color and dripping in water. Overlap your shapes. See what happens. Be messy. Let go of your perfectionism. When you get into that place the flow, when you let go of your fears, that is where the most beautiful things happen. Don't be afraid to go over wet parts of your painting. Don't be afraid to play with the saturation of your colors. One petal can be darker. There are no rules. Turn off the analytical part of your mind and let the creativity flow. Let it be whatever it wants to be. No control. Just movement, marks, and beautiful florals. Watch the paint spread. Let the materials do the work for you. Make marks. And keep working on your painting. As long as you feel the energy flowing, keep going. Don't forget to breathe. Deep breaths. Deep breaths will keep you connected with your body and out of your mind. Make marks. Watch everything blend and move together in a harmonious state. Feel the paper under your brush. What does that feel like? What does it feel like when you have more paint on your brush? What does it feel like when you have more water on your brush? Listen to the messages you're receiving. Practice receiving guidance from your intuition. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it sound like? Continue moving around your painting, dripping color, playing with shapes, showing movement. No rules. Whatever you're feeling in the moment, paint. It's all about entering into a flow state. Entering into a flow state isn't just about painting fast. It's about being in this state of almost bliss, where your mind is turned off and you're just creating. You're in the zone and it feels really good. Just gonna keep moving here. Keep adding to my painting until I start to feel the energy wane. As long as I feel the energy, I keep moving. Don't forget to breathe. Deep, cleansing breaths will connect you to your body. It will keep that energy moving through you. It won't allow it to get stuck. Play with color. Dripping paint. Playing with water. Making marks. That's what this style is all about. Movement, flow, and letting go. Play with contrasted colors, lights and darks. Don't be afraid to overlap. I love adding in dark marks just for contrast, so I can feel my energy starting to wane. The page is full, and I usually know it's time to stop when I start fussing too much with the painting. And I think I'm just about done. I hope you enjoyed this watercolor floral painting meditation. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like this video, ring that magical notification bell, and of course, subscribe to show your support for my channel so that I can continue to teach you how to create intuitive art that resonates with your soul and soothes your spirit.